So inspecting the back of this bumper, you can see that there is a target symbol right there. Yeah. Okay, there's one right above this corner panel, and then the next one is right over here by the word clarity. See that circle there? Right where the TY is at. There's a crosshair there. Looking over here, there's a crosshair right there, circle with the crosshair. And right over this panel here is a circle with a crosshair. So I've decided to go with the factory install points. So the workshop manual for the factory install says you take a little probe, a little point, a little pick, and you poke a hole through the contact areas right in the middle of that circle. So we're going to see how that works. Poking a hole right through the middle so we get our center target here. And that's right in the middle of where I was thinking that I was going to put a sensor. You can see right there, came out right in the middle of the tape. There you go, right there. Well, the hole looks pretty clean, and these have to go a certain way, top to bottom. Well, there you have it. Sensor number 1. Let's see how this sensor fits in there. So the top is like that. And there you go. There you go. We got 2 out of 4. So having backup sensors is sort of redundant since you have a backup camera anyway. But sometimes you might be looking not at the camera and somebody runs behind your vehicle and you get a beep, an alert, immediate beep. Now those snap in nice. They really do. Sensor number 4. You kind of pull these sensors in from the back, give them a little twist. And they sit down nice. Per the workshop manual, you're supposed to take some alcohol, clean some spots back here on the bumper, and tape your wiring harness to the bumper with some aluminum tape. And that's what we're going to do. So it says to take some aluminum tape. Don't mind my doorbell, guys. Make some strips. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. You know, that's what it says to do per the Honda workshop manual. Well, for the first time, we finally got some cold weather here in Florida. We got our first 30s of the year, which is very rare. It's fun once in a while. It's fun once in a while. So the wiring harness, I ended up putting some tape over these sensors too, sort of as a weather shield for any rain that might drip down. So the wiring runs the back of the bumper, the skin of the bumper, that is, and then the harnesses come out here. Now your farthest sensor is going to have your shortest wire. I have them all marked: right rear, left center, right center. So the radar sensors. The radar sensors came out really nice. This flat panel right here on the back of the car gave me the perfect angle for my sensors. This is a cross traffic and lane change alert. So it mounted perfectly right there. And I have to finish running my wires. But that right here came out with a really nice place. And looking down from it, the angle came out, you set it at a 20-degree angle from the plane of the back of the vehicle. And that's almost exactly the same angle as on that sheet metal. So that sheet metal, here's another look at the other side. Perfect fit. Sweet spot right on the body panel there. It's got a nice vertical smooth body panel. I didn't think I was going to have one. So I ran the wiring into the body right here. And with the sun, I will be sealing that. Well, I just got through putting the bumper back together. I haven't got it completely wired yet, but I do have a battery connected to the tester, and we're going to check the signal from the sensors. So when you get this close, they go solid. Sorry for the noise out here, guys. And when you get over here, so as I pulled out of the garage, it picked up the side of the garage perfectly. So the placement and the angle on these sensors is perfect. This is the mounting for the backup sensor module. Now I'm working on the wiring. The wiring comes out here and it follows the factory harness. Now that other harness is the one for the radar detection cross traffic monitoring, and it runs right down the side there where the factory wiring is. And according to the Honda manual, that's how they tell you to run the official backup sensors, to follow this harness. So we got the back seat out. We got this one side panel off. And all the kick panels are off right here. We got the B-pillar off, and we're going to be running right down along this factory harness.